until 1 a.m. Saturday. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northern Virginia, including the following counties: Fauquier and Prince William. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 9 p.m., stream gauge along Cedar Run in Ayton indicates minor flooding is occurring due to runoff from earlier rains, resulting in rising stream levels. Flooding is ongoing in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Avon, http://www.weather. Governor/safety flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.